How to use medical irrigation pump. Hello everyone. I will introduce the connection and operation of the medical irrigation pump. Firstly, this is the medical irrigation connecting tube. When we operate it in the operating room, we need to take it out of the sterile bag and then connect it. The tube has two ends. This end is connected to our liquid distension medium. Take out the sleeve of needles. Insert the needle into the saline bag or other container. After the connection, one thing to note is that we have two valves here, the white flow clips. After connecting the saline bag, we need to close the valves on both sides to prevent water leakage. Secondly, I will demonstrate the connection between the tube and the medical irrigation pump. Before connecting, we must first confirm whether the silicone pad at the connection is intact and whether it is aged. If it is aged or damaged, there will be a water leakage. It needs to be replaced. When in use, take out the disinfected tube from the plastic bag firstly. Put the rectangle lug into the two plate metals in front of the main device for fixing the tube. Push the external. Then roll the tube to pump impeller, block to the metal block's groove. The other end of our tube is connected to the fluid inlet of our disposable electronic hysteroscope. When connecting, align it with our lure connector. Rotate it counterclockwise slightly. And then the connection is completed. The following is the starting operation of the medical irrigation pump. Turn on the power switch and the device starts running. We have several parameters here, including flow and pressure. The set value should be determined according to the individual conditions. And press the set pressure up key and the set pressure down key to set the inflation pressure. The number can be watched from the LCD. Normally, we set the flow rate to 0.1 to 0.3 and set the pressure to 120 to 140. Before the formal operation, we need to open the valve that was closed at the beginning, according to the requirements of surgery, so that the fluid can circulate normally. Press Start key. The device starts to work. Uterine distension fluid circulates in the tube. We need to exhaust the air from the tube before the operation. After we have exhausted all the air from the tube, we can perform the operation. If we need to stop the fluid supply during the operation, we can turn off the lure connector of the disposable electronic hysteroscope. This is the closed state. And our liquid distension medium will stop being delivered. When it needs to be opened, just turn it to this side. At the end of the operation, press Stop key, which is next to Start key to stop the device working. And then turn off the power. Our medical irrigation pump connection and operation demonstration is complete. Thanks for your watching.